So now we come to the question, sir, if that is the case, can I say if I have A is B and it is compares by ID, and if my A equal to B, is it true for all objects? Okay, so for A is equal to 255 and B is equal to 255, A is B. Okay, it says yes, it's the same. It is, they are both are pointing to the same ID. But sir, when I say A is equal to 256 and B is equal to 256, and when I say A is B, it still gives me the same. Okay, so what are you trying to prove? But let me just come to one more case. When I say A equals to 257 and B equal to 257, when I come to 2B is equal to 257, and then I say A is B, it says false. Why? But when I say A equal to B, it says true, which means A equals, the equals operator compares both the values. But when I type the ID of A and when I type the ID of B, it is different IDs altogether. Why, sir? Why does this happen? This happens because there is in Python a concept of a cache. There is caching, or caching the objects, and these objects are cached from a particular range from -5 to 256. These are cached, which means they are stored, okay, in a particular address. When you create a new variable, it does not go and search for, it does not go and create another object, but it quickly searches in the cache if that variable is already present. If it is present, it just points that object, that variable, to that same object. So that means, so you're saying, sir, that if A is -5 and B is -5, it is still going to say that both of them are going to have the same address? Yes, that's what I'm saying. Okay, but if A is -6 and B is -6, you're saying that it will be different address? Yes, that is exactly what I'm saying. From -5 to 256, we have something called as caching of data. Sir, even if, so the only thing, so the is operator compares the ID. But now if I say A is not B, it will say true. Yes, both the addresses are not same, and you just said that if A is not B, okay, you said true. So this is helping. This is going to help you. The is and the is not is going to come is useful for you to compare the IDs of two variables. So if you want, you can just say if A is B or if A is not B. So we can compare different variables using the is or the is not operator. Hope you understand that. Yes, so we have completed the operators. We had the arithmetic operators, the comparison operators, the logical operators, the bitwise operators, the membership operator, and the is operator. Okay, where we did all the operators in quite detail in practical. We have a lot of applications of this, especially the logical operators, the comparison operators, and, uh, and the initial, we just saw the arithmetic operators. Okay, there is one more kind of operators which I missed out. I guess the operators are called as the assignment operators. Yes, what are the assignment operators? Let's say if I say A equal to 5 and I say C equal to A, which means the value of A is assigned to C. The value of C is assigned to C. Okay, so, and also both of them are going to be pointing to the same address. C is A. Yeah, they are pointing out to the same address. Okay, that's an assignment operator. So if I have an assignment, is there any other assignment operator that can be there? Yes, there is. Let's say, for example, I say a plus a plus equal to 5. A plus equal to 5. What was A initially? It was 5. It got added, 5 got added more. Oh, so that means the assignment operators can be used in addition with the arithmetic operators in such a way that this can be interpreted as this particular, whatever I've written here, can be interpreted as this. I can write it here as A equal to A plus 5. A equal to A plus 5, which means A plus 5. It was 5. They added 5 more, that became 10, and that got assigned to A. So this assignment operator says add this A with 5 and assign it back to A. That is what a plus equal to 5 means. What if it is a minus equal to 5? It would say a is 5 back again. Okay, a multiplied equal to 5. Okay, a multiplied by 5 is 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25. And then I say a divided equal to 5, which means you can use any of the arithmetic operators. Okay, what if I used star star, which means this is an exponential operator. I used this exponential operator and I said what is a? It is 3125, which was 5 raised to 5, that is 5 times 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, so that's going to be 3125. All right, then finally we have, of course, we can use even the you can use even the operators, that is the bitwise operators for it. Okay, so if I say and equal to a and equal to a and equal to b. Oh, sorry, a is a float and b is an integer, you can't have both of them. Let's say a, I'm just declaring it as 5, a and equal to b. So what does this do? What does this do? It ANDs a and b and assigns it to a. So it's going to be 0 because b was -6. Okay, so hope that is understood very well. We have, so we can use any of the logic, sorry, the bitwise operators in conjunction with the assignment operator in order to get a new assignment operator. So we've completed with these operators. Once again, the list of the operators are going to be arithmetic, conditional, logical, bitwise, membership, is operator, and assignment operator. Hope you got familiar with all these operators, and we go on to the next topic in the next session.